Hi everyone, welcome back to Ashley's Kitchen. Today we are making something really fun and super juicy, Orleans-style chicken leg roast.
Just look at that. Golden, glossy, and packed with flavor. Can you believe this came from a single chicken leg?
Alright, let's get started.
First, take the chicken leg. Use kitchen shears to remove the bone. I like scissors because they make deboning clean and simple. After you cut out the bone, lay the meat flat and make a couple of shallow scallops across the surface to break the tendons so it cooks evenly. Next, to remove any gamey smell, add 3 tablespoons of flour and 2 tablespoons of white vinegar. Massage well. Then rinse several times under water until clean. Drain thoroughly before marinating.
Next, we are going to marinate.
Grab some ginger and scallions. Add a splash of cooking wine and squeeze out that fragrant ginger-scallion juice. Pour it over the chicken and rub it in. Now add 1 tablespoon dark soy sauce, 2 tablespoons light soy sauce, 15 grams oyster sauce, and 2 tablespoons Orleans seasoning mix. Massage well so the chicken really soaks up the flavor. Then add 2 tablespoons cornstarch. Mix again and let it sit for about 15 minutes. Meanwhile, in a small bowl, mix 1 tablespoon Orleans seasoning with 1 tablespoon light soy sauce. This will be our brushing sauce later. Once the chicken is ready, lay it flat on a sheet of foil. Skin side down. Roll it up tightly. Then brush on some of that extra sauce. Wrap the foil nice and snug, like wrapping a candy, and twist the ends to seal. Now place all the rolls into a steamer. Start with cold water, bring it to a boil, then steam for about 25 minutes. Time's up! Unwrap one, and wow, the aroma! Can you believe this came from just 1 chicken leg?
Let's test. Wow! Oh my gosh, it's so tender and juicy. The flavor is bold, the meat is soft, and there's so much natural juice inside. You can eat it whole or slice it into pieces. Either way, it's absolutely delicious. It's actually really easy to make. You've got to try this one at home. Thanks for watching. See you next time.